Stop scrolling for a moment. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to FluentX English. This is a listening-based practice using a simple idea. The more you listen, the more your brain adapts to English, just like a child learns a language. Before you listen, just relax. This is a simple story about a normal person. Maybe you will see yourself in it. Arjun was not bad at English. He understood movies, he understood meetings, he understood almost everything. But he had one problem. He overthought every sentence. Before speaking, his brain asked, "Is this grammar correct? Is this the right word? What if I make a mistake?" Because of that, he stayed silent. One day at work, something different happened. His manager asked a question. It was simple. Arjun knew the answer. He was sure. Inside his head, the answer was clear. But as usual, fear arrived. What if I say it wrong? What if others speak better than me? His heart started beating faster. He looked at the table. He held his pen. He waited. 5 seconds passed. Then someone else answered. The same idea, the same words. Everyone nodded. The manager said, "Good point." Arjun felt something heavy inside. Not jealousy, not anger, regret. Because that idea was his. That evening, he kept thinking. It was such a small moment. It was just one sentence. But I lost it because I was afraid. That night, he understood something important. His English was not stopping him. His overthinking was. The next day, he made a small decision. Not a big promise, just one rule. If I know the answer, I will speak, even if it's not perfect. A few days later, another question came. Again, he knew the answer. Again, fear came. But this time, he didn't wait. He spoke. His sentence was simple, not impressive, not perfect, but clear. The room was silent for a moment. Then the manager said, "Yes, that makes sense." That small sentence changed something inside him. Not his English, his confidence. Arjun learned something powerful. Opportunities don't wait for perfect grammar. They reward courage. Since that day, he still makes mistakes, but he doesn't stay silent anymore, because he understands now. One imperfect sentence is better than a perfect sentence that stays inside your head. I'll see you in the next session, and don't forget to subscribe.